7 Laziest Ways to Make Money Online. Have you had enough of the 9-to-5 grind and would rather be a couch potato? Would you believe us if we said you could make money in your pajamas? Today we are bringing you 7 ways that can not only supplement your income, but also make it go through the roof. So kick back and relax, and let us change your financial future for the better. Number 1. Wirestock.io. Have you ever thought about easily making money with your artistic skills? That's where Wirestock.io comes in, a groundbreaking tool that's changing the game for creators all over the world. You can easily sell pictures, videos, and art made by AI in this market. The best part? You can use free AI tools that you can find online to make this work. Imagine taking part in fun tasks that Wirestock hosts. For example, they'd recently held a 48-hour challenge to use AI to make a political character in the way of Grand Theft Auto. What is the reward? A cool $100 just for sending in one picture. It's exceptionally easy to take part. Here, tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI can help you be more creative. Feel free to use a prompt that you saw on my show, or come up with your own idea. The AI will then do its thing. You'll have a beautiful piece of art ready to download and post to Wirestock in no time. The process is easy. Once you're on Wirestock.io, sign up, say that you deal in material made by AI, and then start uploading. That's right. The more you share, the more likely it is that you'll make sales or win those challenges. Why wait then? Join Wirestock right away and start making money with your ideas. Number 2. YouTube automation. Let's look into the interesting world of YouTube automation, a way to make a lot of money with very little work. This method is very different from the usual way of automating YouTube. You need to target specific, high CPM niches, not just post movies without showing your face. This approach focuses on a good audience that wants to buy expensive items so you can make more with fewer views. You've probably heard of famous YouTubers who make a lot of money from ads, but never say who they are. On the other hand, YouTube automation uses a more precise method. Instead of putting out a lot of general material, it focuses on niches that appeal to a specific group of people. This is an attempt to reach people who are more likely to buy expensive goods or services. YouTube automation is very appealing because it works quickly. You don't need a lot of views to make a good living. You can build a profitable channel with a loyal following by putting quality over quantity. If you want to know more, I can make you a full step-by-step guide on high-ticket YouTube automation. In the comments, please let me know, and I'll share this special content on the channel for free. Number 3. AI-generated movie recaps on YouTube. Making AI-generated movie summaries or ads for YouTube is a surprisingly easy and profitable way to make money online. Many video creators have made a lot of money with this method. Some channels make up to $52,000 a month. The best part? You don't even have to make your own videos or show your face. The process is easy to understand and works very well. You can make interesting scenes and videos for your movie reviews with AI tools like Pika.art or Picolabs. The options on these platforms are very broad, letting you make anything from beautiful scenery to character-driven scenes with just a few clicks. After getting your footage, the next step is to put it all together in a way that makes sense and is interesting. This is where your imagination really shines, making up a story that people will want to read. When you put these scenes together, they were made by AI, and now you have a unique copyright-free video that is ready to post on YouTube. Tools like 11 Labs are game changers for voiceover. You only need to type in your plot and pick a voice to make a professional-sounding narration. You can start making money as soon as you put this video on YouTube. This method isn't just about making money. It's also about using AI to create new material, which opens up a world of endless possibilities. Number 4. Earning with Rev.com Transcription. It's never been easier to make passive income, especially with sites like Rev.com that offer transcription work. If you want to make money without much effort, this website is a great place to do it. You can set your own hours as a freelancer on Rev.com and get paid every week for recording podcasts or audio files. The job is easy. Just listen to an audio file and type in exactly what is said in the video or recording. You can make 30 cents to $1 per minute of typing, which is also a good deal. This means you could make around $60 for a 60-minute movie. But here's a smart twist. You can use AI tools to do the transcription for you, which will be even better and faster. When you use tools like Rhythmix.com, you can easily and accurately change music to text with just one click. You can use tools like ChatGPT to tweak the transcription and look for spelling or grammatical mistakes once you have it. You can send your work to Rev.com and get paid for it after making the required changes. The best thing? A lot of the time, these AI tools cost less than $10 a month, and they can do as many transcriptions as you need. You're basically hiring other people to do most of the work for very little money if you make around $60 a day on Rev.com. This makes your earnings even more idle. Number 5. Generating passive income with Like4Like.org. A clever way to make an easy, idle income is through a website called Like4Like.org. This site is all about trading interactions on social media. This is how it works. You interact with other people's posts on Instagram or Facebook and get credit for it. You can then trade these points for likes on your own social media posts. But here's the cool part. You can use a Like4Like bot to make this process automatic. This bot interacts with posts and earns credits for you automatically, so you don't have to. That's a smart way to get engagement points without doing anything. You can boost your own social media sites with credits once you have enough of them. This method works really well for getting a lot of followers on Instagram and other similar sites. It could even be better than that. After getting a lot of followers, you can sell them on sites like Fameswap.com. Accounts with a lot of fans can get between $100 and $500. This method is a great way to take advantage of the growing market for social media impact. It can also be a great way to make passive income with little work on your part. Number 6. Using Google for affiliate marketing. With an amazing 89.3 billion hits every month, Google is the most popular website in the world, and as of last January, it had a 91.9% market share in the search engine market. There is a great chance for partner marketing here. It can be hard and expensive to get a website to the top of Google's search results, but there is an easy way to make money with Google that works. The plan is to use tools like ChatGPT to write a blog post and then find an affiliate product and make an affiliate link. You can use OneClickHuman.com to rewrite your content to make sure it is unique and search engine friendly. Then use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney to make unique images to go with your story. After that, you need to post your story on Medium.com. The powerful platform Medium lets you post content for free and lets you add your affiliate links to the stories. You have to be consistent and patient with this process. One girl posted 3 to 5 articles every day for 6 months before she started making $2,000 every night. It takes time and work to get started, but once your posts are optimized and do well on Google, they can keep making you money without you having to do anything. Also, if you promote goods that pay you commissions over and over, your earnings can become a steady flow of money. Number 7. Prompt engineer. With the advent of ChatGPT and other AI tools, the writing process has been greatly simplified, revolutionizing content creation. The new issue for businesses, though, is to make good use of these tools in order to produce content that is relevant to their target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of a prompt expert. To guarantee relevant and useful material is produced by AI systems, these specialists are masters at crafting exact prompts. As businesses aim to optimize AI for content creation, this skill is becoming more and more sought after because it requires a comprehensive understanding of how AI works and the ability to do detailed research. Becoming a prompt expert requires consistent practice to hone the ability to create prompts. With this knowledge, you may become more proficient with AI tools and unlock new avenues for earning money. On the job market, you can look for positions as a prompt writer or engineer, or you can offer packages of custom-made ChatGPT prompts. Possessing this skill allows you to establish yourself as an expert in a dynamic industry, which could lead to a big salary. So that is all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time.